Meaning of inadequacy.
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 Inadequacy. Inadequacy refers to a lack of sufficient quality or quantity, often in relation to meeting a particular standard or expectation. When someone or something is deemed inadequate, they fall short of what is needed or required. This can lead to feelings of disappointment, frustration, or even outright failure. Inadequacy can manifest in various aspects of life, from personal relationships to professional performance. It is important to recognize and address inadequacy when it arises, as ignoring or denying the issue can lead to further negative consequences.